Hi guys, this is EMTBR and this is how to wash your bike. Step 1. Get your bike. The bike that we'll be washing today is the Trinx M136 Majestic. Now this is my first ever mountain bike and it's very rusty. If you see this, I haven't touched this bike at all for the past 2 years because of the quarantine and lockdown rules because of COVID, and so it's very rusty, it's very dirty, and so this is our first step of restoring this bike, and it'll be started with washing it. So let's go. Step 2, get all the things you need. And also don't forget your bucket and also your water supply because you'll be using the water. Step 3, get your toolkit and then uninstall all the things you have on your bike, the add-ons like these for a very detailed cleaning. Step 4, put your bike on a bike stand, or if you don't have a bike stand, just put the bike around like what I will be doing. Now you can access the wheels and the gearings properly and easily. Step 5, I would remove the front wheels. Well, you could technically remove the back wheels too if you want to, clean the entire rear part of the bike, but for me, the chains and the rails and stuff are too hot to set up, so I just remove the front and then just clean it while the wheel is on. Now this is something I don't want to see because these, I think, are wasps' houses, and you don't want to get bitten by wasps because those things sting a lot and I don't know how to get rid of them. I'll just carefully pray that there's nothing inside of it, although there will definitely be something inside of it, yeah. And step 6 is spray water on your bike. Now don't use really high pressure water because then it'll get all the water inside all the screws and nuts and things like that, so just a gentle spray. Not a gentle spray, but if you just spray gently, that's gonna do it. Alright, I put the bike facing this way with the chains exposed here because our next step is to put the degreaser on the gears and the chains. For a rusty bike like this, you need to put a lot of them because there's so much dirty things in there. So next step, begin to put water and the car shampoo onto your bucket and apply the mixture of the two onto your bike so that will clean all the dust on there. Now that you've got your bucket of soap and you can just punch, you'll just start putting that on the bike to start the cleaning process. Now that you've brushed and cleaned the entire frame of the bike, let's put some water, spray all the dirty stuff down, and then prepare for the drying process. And then make sure to use a different cloth to clean and dry your chains, because there may still be some oil left in there and it'll definitely kind of ruin your clean cloth. And so yes, use another cloth for the chains. Now, after the bike is dry, make sure to put back the front tire and the front wheel that you washed as well. And then, after that, the last step, apply lubrication to your chains, to suspension, and to all the places that needs to be lubricated, because those parts, if there's no lubrication, then it'll probably wear very fast. And so let's go on to that. So there you go, that's W40 bike dry lube. Just put it on the chains right there. It's also inside of here, and then also at the front. There you go. Then you have to try to spin the wheel up so that you know that every part is working on the bike. Now I need to adjust the gearing a little bit. There you go, and then the same thing for the suspension too. And boom, that is how you wash a bike. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Please click the thumbs up button if you enjoyed watching this video, and also subscribe for more content like this. The first episode of Project M136 2023. There you go. Shee. Good luck in your bike washing, and I will see you guys next time.